Muli magandang umaga po sa lahat.
Magandang umaga din po.
Salamat sa Diyos. Kaming mga pare ng Archdiocese of Manila, about 70 plus of us, together with Cardinal Advincula, were in Palawan Monday to Thursday for bonding, for relaxation. No? So we were there in this beautiful place. Salamat sa Diyos. Salamat sa inyong panalangin. Salamat sa pagtitipon na binigay ng Diyos para ma-recharge. Salamat sa Diyos. Today is the birthday also of our Cardinal Chito Tagle. No, it is his birthday also today on the feast day of St. Aloysius Gonzaga. Anyway, the gospel today speaks of treasure and the eye, no? The light, no, that comes through the eyes. Saan ba tayo lagi nakatuon ng pansin? No? Where does our eyes put focus on? Saan ba tayo nakafocus lagi yung mata natin? Lagi ba sa material na bagay o sa spiritual na bagay? No? So, of course, we cannot see things that are spiritual. Are they of earthly things or of heavenly things? No? This is figure of speech, not directly. When we say material na bagay, things money can buy, which the earth has to offer. There is nothing wrong about these blessings. Blessing yan, no? Pero kung lagi nakafocus lang dito, hindi tayo nakafocus sa mga bagay-bagay na nasa langit. Ang iniipon natin, kumbaga nag-i-invest tayo, puro dito na lang, puros makalupa at hindi makalangit na bagay, then where your treasure is, there your heart is. Kung lagi tayo nakapansin dito lagi tayo tumitikin, dito yung magmamahal natin, ito yung value system natin, then hindi na babalanse dito, then we will be in big trouble. No? Big trouble. So where your treasure is, there your heart will be. So we are reminded once again of this beautiful gospel today. And it was lived out by our saint today, St. Aloysius Gonzaga. He was born of nobility. No? He was his parents were of lineage, no? Royal blood, no? Kumbaga, di ba? Pero hindi siya naalipin doon. At a very young age, he was able to detach himself from that. He said his inheritance, gave it to his brother, and he lived a very short life, though. No? At 23 years old lang, he went back to heaven already. But it is possible, especially by the stories we hear, by the lives of the saints, most especially with the grace of God, paano tayo di maalipin sa mga makamundong mga bagay. No? We ask God, the only true treasure, yun lang naman ang relationship sa Diyos, ang tanging yaman. We do not relate to things. We relate only to people. We relate only to God. This is the treasure God has given us. Let us treasure this as we honor also His Sacred Heart, like most Fridays, as we thank God for giving us St. Aloysius today. Salamat sa Diyos.